I didn't even know you're here.
Welcome.
Yes, I don't even enter the house. They ask the children, where you did? How you did now?
I did okay. Don't walk now.
You know what could they find? You know, I know they come back by this time.
Look at you.
I can't wonder.
I do make I carry my usual bumbo for head. I hear now wait, I bring it phone. Hello, now who they talk? He come be saying when you dear mama, now they talk. He say me gonna come. Your mama no well. Your mama no well.
What?
Mama no well. He say yes, mama no well. He say I say give mama phone make her follow mama talk. That's it, give her. Come on. Oh, the whole thing where mama talk. For how many minutes? I know they even want it. But now we say, wait a minute. You go come go tomorrow. Go village tomorrow. Make you go check as mama do. It's better when you go. If you go on time, you check. If not to carry and go doctor or chemist, make them take care of her. Make she no go die. If she die now, see, money too plenty for house. We don't get money.
Paulinus.
Obedient.
Paulinus.
Obedient.
Paulinus. How many times I call you?
I thought 3 times.
So, now because of say me I can't go village. Now they now make you dey they talk all this one. Make me I can't go village. Oga, now lie you lie. You see that village? You no go see me.
Now your mother-in-law now.
Now my mother-in-law now your mother. So now you go that village.
You mean now?
Yes.
But when your mama sick last week, now so your brother called you from Obodo, you go. Now overnight you book night bus. The next day you don't land for a place.
What?
Go take care of your mama. No, my own mama. You don't want to go village.
Wait till you call him.
Why be say you don't want to hear anything about my mother?
Wait till you call him.
My mama, your mother-in-law.
Okay. My mama na sick ba. I go. So now your mother they sick. So you go village.
Yeah, go village.
Yes.
Okay, we they do am turn by turn.
Apostle, we have this.
My own mama sick, I go.
See, I just forget that thing. Just forget them. Don't even reason them at all. Say me, I dey go village. Say wait. I don't go anywhere else. If you know how you go use go, anyhow way you want to do, you better go. But for say me, go that village because say one person they sick. Oga no dey go anywhere.
Obedient.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
If I see anything.
See wahala. Oh, they don't talk am. They don't talk am. See all these women, mostly these ones, the way they yellow, no problem. My mama sick. Which is your mother-in-law? Now me supposed to go. I mean, are you supposed to go? See problem now. I tell my own, I say I don't go marry. They say go marry. Polunus go marry. I don't marry now. See the one where I marry.